Quick analysis in Excel. One of the good options in Excel, if you want to analyze your sheet immediately after entering the data, just select the column. You will see one option is coming here, quick analysis. Click here. Color based on some logics, data bar. 234 is the highest number, so others are a short number. We just test this one first. Now it is 77. If you will choose 200, so it will automatically, the color will move forward. 0 means nothing. More options. If you want to see the total of sold quantity sum, this is done. Else, count 12. Here you can also do average, count, total, sum. So this is useful tool if you want to immediately analyze your Excel data.